Hello everyone. Just thought I'd share a quick video on the benefits of Seamoss. It comes in different forms. You can either get the capsule, or my favorite is the actual gel, Seamoss gel. Okay? So Irish Seamoss is 92 of 102 minerals that the body needs for optimal health. It has a plethora of benefits, like a lot. It boosts energy, as antiviral, anti-inflammatory. It's good for respiratory health. It helps with eczema. So if you have a son or daughter that's dealing with a lot of eczema on their skin, I from time to time come across children that I see with eczema. They have it usually like inside their arm, their elbow, or like up under their knee, their leg. They have eczema. So, sometimes it comes like up under their legs, and it irritates kids. It's usually on the elbows I see it, or up under the leg or something like that. But yeah, so you can actually put Seamoss on top of that as and it'll help clear that up. So yeah, you can put it on topically to help that. Also, it's good antiviral, anti-inflammatory, respiratory health, good with eczema, blood circulation. It's good to help with diabetes. It helps calm the nervous system. Seamoss is good for workout recovery. So if you're a person that works out a lot, it's huge. It's really huge in helping with workout recovery. So you can use it for, if you're an athlete and you need that extra, you need those extra minerals after you work out, get the Seamoss. You can get these capsules, or you can get the gel. I make both. I make the gel and I sell the capsules. So also it helps with mucus. Like literally, like if you have a lot of mucus in your body and you start taking Seamoss, if you feel like you have to like spit a lot, that's the Seamoss trying to get it all out. That's trying to get all the mucus out. So don't be alarmed if when you take it, you'll start, spitting a lot because your body is trying to get all the mucus out. It's great for prenatal care. So if you're pregnant, you're expecting a child, the Seamoss is good because it has the minerals that your body needs. You have to realize you're feeding yourself and the baby. So the Seamoss will get the minerals that you need, and the baby will get it as well. So this will be good for you. This will be great to take, for if you're pregnant. Also, it helps strengthen your bones and your joints and ligaments. So, it's really good, Also, it's also good for libido, increases, I'm just going to keep it real. It increases your sexual strength and stamina. And why is that? Because it's loaded with zinc. And zinc is like one of the main minerals that, boosts your libido and your sexual health. Zinc is important, and a lot of times in our diet, we don't get enough of zinc in our everyday diet, because, a lot of the foods is that's out now, like the fruits and vegetables, it don't have enough of those minerals because of the grounds and the earth. It's depleted of those minerals. So when we grow in our crops and plants, we don't really get to get all the benefits from that. So yeah, Seamoss is loaded with zinc. So I do mine every morning. You know, I just take a spoon. Hey. Yep, that's what I do. In the morning. Do mine, get my minerals. Yep, and you can put it on your skin. I usually don't do that. I do it sometime, but not really. That's not my thing, really. But you can do it. You can put it in your hair and your skin, and it'll help heal your skin and clear up any scars and all that. So anyway, thought I'd share that. This is this is what I do. DM me for any questions. For pricing, message me. I do capsules and I do the gel. All right, guys, enjoy your day. Have a wonderful day. Love and light, peace, love, and positive vibrations.